The prayer was prescribed as consisting of two rakats, both when one was resident and was traveling. The prayer while traveling was left according to the original prescription, and the prayer of one who was resident was enhanced. Al Hadith Abu Dawud Sharif, book number 4, Hadith number 1194.